Here I have XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera audio control on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then you have to tap on three stripes here, and here you can find voice shutter feature. So by tapping on it you can just enable this feature, and it works the way that you have to say cheese to take photo. And as you can see, it works perfectly for me because I just said cheese for an example, but it already took a photo. So let me show you once again. So you just say cheese and it takes photo. So simple. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.